In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print A4 in Canva. We'll go through the process from opening your design all the way to sending it to print. And I'll point out a few helpful things to watch for so the final result comes out correctly. First, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're working on the design you actually want to print, since the size and layout matter a lot when you move to paper. If your design is already set up as A4, you're in good shape and can move on to the next part. If needed, click Resize at the top left of the screen and choose A4 Document. This is an important step because A4 has a specific paper size, and resizing helps make sure your content fits properly when printed. After resizing, it's a good idea to quickly check your design to confirm that text, images, and spacing still look the way you want. Sometimes elements can shift slightly after a resize, so taking a moment here can save you from wasting paper later. Once that's done, find and click File in the top left corner. This opens the menu where Canva keeps several export and print options. From the drop-down, find Print and hover over it. You should then see the available printing choices. At this point, select whether you want to use your own printer or print with Canva. In this example, we're choosing Use My Printer. This option is ideal if you want to print immediately from home or the office without placing a separate order. After selecting that option, you may see a progress bar in the bottom right corner while Canva prepares the file. This is normal, especially if the design includes large images or multiple elements. Just wait for it to finish before doing anything else. Canva is getting the file ready in a printable format. Once that's complete, your print dialog box should open. Here, configure your print settings carefully. Depending on your printer, you may want to check the paper size, orientation, color settings, and scaling options. Since you're printing on A4, make sure A4 is selected in the printer settings too, not just inside Canva. That helps avoid unwanted cropping or extra margins. When everything looks correct, click Print, and that's it. Your A4 design from Canva is now ready to print. If you want the best results, it's always worth doing a quick final review before printing, especially for alignment and page size. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.